The Russian MiG-41, also known as the PAK DP, or Perspektivny Aviacyjny Kompleks Dalnego Peredowyk, is a proposed sixth-generation fighter jet project that's currently under development by Mikoyan, or MiG, which is a leading Russian aircraft manufacturer. Although the project is still in its conceptual phase, here's what we know so far about this cutting-edge aircraft. Design and features. The MiG-41 fighter jet is expected to be a significant departure from its predecessors, with a real focus on stealth, advanced materials, and hypersonic capabilities. The aircraft's design will likely feature a blended wing-body configuration, serpentine air intakes, and canted vertical stabilizers to reduce its radar cross-section and enhance maneuverability. The airframe will be constructed from advanced materials such as carbon fiber reinforced polymers and advanced composites to minimize weight and maximize strength. Hypersonic capabilities. The MiG-41 is designed to operate at speeds exceeding Mach 5, which is roughly 6,170 kilometers per hour, or about 3,833 miles per hour, making it a true hypersonic aircraft. To achieve this, the aircraft will likely employ a hybrid propulsion system, combining a conventional turbojet engine with a scramjet, or supersonic combustion ramjet, or possibly even a rocket motor. This will enable the MiG-41 fighter jet to accelerate rapidly and maintain high speeds over long ranges, potentially allowing it to engage targets at distances of over 1,000 kilometers, or about 620 miles. Avionics and electronics. The MiG-41 will feature advanced avionics, including a high-performance flight control system, advanced sensors, and a sophisticated electronic warfare suite. The aircraft will likely be equipped with a modern, high-resolution radar system, such as an active electronically scanned array radar and advanced infrared search and track systems. The MiG-41's electronic warfare capabilities will include advanced jamming and electronic countermeasures to counter enemy air defenses. Let's analyze the armament and payload of the MiG-41. This impressive aircraft will feature an internal weapons bay, which allows it to carry a variety of air-to-air missiles, like the R-77 Mach or the upcoming R-37 Mach. It doesn't stop there, though. It will also be equipped to handle air-to-surface missiles and precision-guided munitions. The MiG-41 is also expected to carry hypersonic missiles, such as the KH-59 Mach K2 or the proposed KH-90. This would definitely offer a significant boost in both range and lethality. In terms of stealthiness and low observability, the MiG-41 is set to incorporate some cutting-edge stealth features. We're talking about radar-absorbent materials, curved surfaces, and a reduced radar cross-section. The design will also focus on minimizing its infrared signature, which makes it tricky to spot using IRST systems. All these features combined will enable the MiG-41 to slip deep into enemy airspace without being detected, enhancing both its survivability and effectiveness. This is quite fascinating. The MiG-41's propulsion system is expected to be a critical component of its design. As mentioned earlier, the aircraft will likely employ a hybrid propulsion system, combining a conventional turbojet engine with a scramjet or rocket motor. The exact details of the propulsion system are still unknown, but it's rumored that the aircraft may use a variant of the Saturn AL-41 F-1S engine, which powers the Su-35S fighter. The MiG-41 project was first announced in 2018, and since then, Mikoyan has been working on the aircraft's design and development. Although no official timeline has been released, it's estimated that the MiG-41 will enter service in the mid-2030s. The development process is expected to be long and complex, with multiple prototypes and test aircraft being built to validate the aircraft's performance and capabilities. The development of the MiG-41 is a highly ambitious project, and there are several challenges and uncertainties that need to be addressed. These include, first, hypersonic propulsion. Developing a reliable and efficient hypersonic propulsion system is a significant technical challenge. Second, materials and manufacturing. Creating advanced materials and manufacturing techniques to construct the aircraft's airframe and components will be essential. Third, stealth and low observability. Achieving the desired level of stealth and low observability will require significant investments in research and development. And finally, funding and resources. The MiG-41 project will require substantial funding and resources, which may be challenging to secure in the current economic environment. In conclusion, the MiG-41 is a proposed Russian 6th-generation fighter jet that promises to be a game-changer in the field of military aviation. It is also expected to be a rival to Western 6th-generation fighter jets, such as the US F-47 and the UK's BAE Tempest. With its hypersonic capabilities, advanced materials, and stealth features, the MiG-41 has the potential to revolutionize air warfare and provide Russia with a significant advantage in future aerial combat operations. However, the development of this aircraft will be a long and complex process, and there are many challenges and uncertainties that need to be addressed before the MiG-41 can become a reality. Russia's MiG-41 program is shrouded in mystery, but here's what we know. The aircraft is expected to be a 6th-generation interceptor, capable of Mach 4+ speeds and equipped with advanced stealth technology and hypersonic missiles. As for delivery timelines, predictions vary. Some sources suggest a prototype flight could happen in the mid-2020s, with operational readiness potentially achieved by 2030 or later. Others are more skeptical, citing delays and Russia's struggles with advanced fighter programs like the Su-57. Retired Russian Air Force Commander Vladimir Popov stated in 2025 that the MiG-41's external design is finalized and a prototype flight is expected soon. However, given Russia's history of ambitious timelines, it's wise to approach these claims with caution.